Hey there, I have a simple message today, and that is there is absolutely no shame in delegating household responsibilities. Life can get chaotic and messy sometimes, and letting go of tasks like cleaning can free up time for you to focus on the things that truly matter. Imagine having more time to hang out with your kids. Those precious little moments of laughter and play and connection, those are the moments that really, really matter. Or maybe you need more time currently to grow your business. Every minute you free up allows you to focus on those high value tasks that only you as a business owner can accomplish. Or how often do you put off that art project to do the damn chores? We want to give you your free time back so you can focus on the things that truly matter. After all, life is meant to be enjoyed, not slaving away maintaining our home.